Welcome to the Salon Guy salon. Well, kind of. This used to be the space where I would cut hair in my studio, and I've since retired from clients. It's been a number of years now, but I used to see clients right here in this very chair. I've had, you know, big high-level executives. I've had Noah Schnapp from Stranger Things sitting right here, professional athletes, all sorts of really great people that I've had as clients here over the years. And in today's video, what I want to talk about is you deserve a better haircut. And what do I mean by that? Well, I do virtual consultations with people from all over the world. And if you're interested in doing a VIP experience with me, a Zoom call where I can look at your hair, analyze your hair, give you suggestions, create images of haircuts that would look best on you from your own images that you send to me. It's a really, really in-depth, great experience. You can actually purchase it right here. And I get people from all over the world. The biggest thing that I see and I, kind of discuss with people is they're not getting the haircut they deserve because the hair professional simply is not communicating with them in a proper way. Now, on the flip side, the client, you who are watching this, if you're a client and someone who's getting their haircut, is you also have to step up your game with how you're communicating with that hair professional. And what does that mean? Well, basically, if you just go into your, normal barbershop or a normal, hair salon, or you bounce around from person to person and you're very inconsistent. One day, you're getting a great haircut. The next time it's a butcher hack job and you go and you're like so frustrated. But the thing is, you're not really doing anything to change or to upgrade and scale up your service that you're getting. How do you do that? How do you get the haircut you deserve? Well, one, I would say find someone that you can stick with. Find someone that you like. Find someone that you connect with, that you have a good, relationship with, that you can talk to, joke around. Having a relationship with a client and a hair professional, because I've done it for over 30 years, it's a really, really close relationship. We actually almost become like your best friend, therapist, like your close buddy. Like there's a great relationship between clients and professionals, and I think when it comes to getting your haircut, finding someone who can really match up with that is a great thing. Now, when it comes to the haircut itself, that's really, really important. That's the most important thing, because maybe you want to grow your hair, maybe you want to change your hairstyle. You need to have somebody who has the skills to be able to do that. What I see with a lot of people who I do consultations with is they're not getting the haircut that they deserve. That's why they're coming to me, because their person is not doing the haircut. Like maybe their head shape is different, so they have to have a certain type of haircut, or they're getting the wrong hairstyle, the wrong haircut, or their person is not going that extra mile to create that experience to give them the better haircut or what's going to be best for them. People are coming to me to pay me a decent amount of money to go back to their professional to tell them what they should be doing. And that's great. I love doing that. I love helping people. But at the same time, I think it's important that you get a better haircut because you deserve better. You're paying that person. And another thing, let's talk about communication. So what do you do when you go in, whether you're seeing somebody for the first time or you had a haircut with them and you're not loving the haircuts, you feel like something is off? Go in and this is probably one of the biggest things that I do with people in our consultations, is you literally have to like go in with your hands and pull your hair out like this and show them this is uneven. Look, this is really, really heavy. Look how long this is. This is a lot shorter than this. Like, show them the trouble areas, because we as hair professionals, we're visual people, right? We want to see everything. What section is not working, or maybe this is longer. Oh, I see it now. Because if not, we're just kind of like guessing. So you have to make sure that you are telling us where the problem lies. Now, on the flip side, the hair professional, and this is what I do, should be able to analyze your hair. And what I do during my consultations is I start to run my fingers through the hair and feel. I'm feeling for what's going on. I'm usually in control of the consultations because I'm troubleshooting the hair. I'm literally troubleshooting it. And that probably is not is happening when you're going to get your haircut. And that's why you're not really thrilled with your haircut, or you want to try something new, or you're kind of lost, or you don't like how your hair grows out. There's something happening technically that he or she is not doing, which is causing your hair to not be the haircut you should be getting. A lot of it comes down to the haircut shape. A lot of it comes down to that mixed in with your face shape. What's going to be lower maintenance for you? What, if you've been having the same hairstyle for 15 years, maybe it's time for a change. Or your hair grows in a specific direction. You don't understand why your hair does something, but you go in and just, oh yeah, number 2 on the sides and, scissor cut on top. Okay, like, if that's cool and you have a good rapport with your professional and you're totally fine with getting that haircut, that's perfect. Nothing's wrong. But there's a lot of you out there who are not getting the right haircuts and the service that you deserve. And that's where I think it's important to step up the game, and professionals need to do it and you need to do it as well. And don't be afraid to voice your opinion. If you go to eat at a restaurant and you don't like the food, guess what you're going to do? Waiter, this food is awful. And then guess what? You're getting that taken off the bill. You have no problem speaking up and complaining about whatever it is. Oh, there's too much milk in my latte. What, it's the same thing with a service. You're getting your haircut. You're paying someone for a service. They should be able to give you what you deserve, whether it's a $12 haircut or a $100 haircut, whatever it is. And there is a big difference in service levels with those, but that's a whole other thing. But you really deserve a good haircut no matter what. And if you are tired of getting just crappy, botched up haircuts, go to someone else, find somebody else, okay? So if you want to book a virtual consultation with me, I have 2 options. I have a more VIP service where it's a one-on-one Zoom call. Then I have another option, which you can actually just send in a couple of photos of yourself, like a headshot type thing, and I will create images of haircuts based off of those on what I think would be best for you. Still a lot of great value to that. So they're available right here. You can click on it and get them. But let me know if you found this video helpful, and I really hope that you are getting better haircuts. I love to hear your comments, your feedback. Are you trying someone new? Have you been going to, getting these bad haircuts for a while and you don't know what to do and you found this helpful? I'd love to know. Let's see those comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.